Starting a mobile phone repair business in Kenya is one of the smartest ways to earn a steady income with a small amount of money. Today, almost every person owns a mobile phone, whether it is a basic handset or a smartphone. These phones are used daily for communication, business, mobile money, and entertainment. Because they are used so often, they get damaged, slow down, or stop working completely. This creates a constant demand for repair services across towns, estates, and even rural areas. If you are looking for a practical business that does not require a university degree, a phone repair shop is a very good option. You can start small, grow slowly, and build a stable income over time. The best part is that you can begin with limited capital and expand as you gain more customers and experience. The journey begins with learning the skill. You do not need to be an expert at the start, but you must understand how mobile phones work and how to fix common problems. Many young people in Kenya learn phone repair through short courses in technical training centers. These courses usually take between 1 month and 3 months, depending on the depth of training. The cost of training can range from about 30,000 Kenyan shillings to 40,000 Kenyan shillings. While this may seem like a lot at first, it is a valuable investment because the skill can earn you money for many years. Another way to learn is through apprenticeship. This means working under an experienced technician in a repair shop. You may earn little or nothing at the beginning, but you gain hands-on experience. Over time, you learn how to handle real customer problems, diagnose faults, and fix different types of phones. You also learn how to deal with customers, which is very important in business. In addition, there are many free online videos and tutorials that teach phone repair step by step. If you are disciplined and willing to practice, you can learn a lot from these resources. Once you have basic skills, the next step is to get the tools you need. The good news is that you do not need expensive equipment when starting. A simple repair toolkit is enough to begin. This includes screwdrivers, tweezers, opening tools, and brushes. You may also need a soldering iron for fixing circuits, a multimeter for testing electrical flow, and a small magnifying tool to see tiny components clearly. The total cost of basic tools can be around 15,000 Kenyan shillings. As your business grows, you can invest in more advanced tools like a rework station or microscope. In addition to tools, you will need some stock. This includes common spare parts such as phone screens, batteries, charging ports, and ear speakers. You do not have to stock everything at once. Start with fast-moving items and increase your stock based on customer demand. A budget of about 10,000 to 15,000 Kenyan shillings is enough to get started with basic spare parts. Location is another important factor in your success. A good location brings more customers and increases your chances of making daily sales. You should look for a place with high human traffic. This can be near a bus stage, a busy market, a shopping center, or close to a school or college. Many successful phone repair technicians operate in small stalls or shared spaces. Rent for such spaces can range from 3,000 to 10,000 Kenyan shillings per month, depending on the area. If you do not have enough money for rent at the beginning, you can start from home or offer mobile repair services. This means you go to the customer instead of them coming to you. You can advertise your services through social media or word of mouth. As your income grows, you can then move to a physical shop. Starting capital for a phone repair business in Kenya can range between 50,000 and 100,000 Kenyan shillings. This includes tools, stock, rent, and basic setup. If you already have some tools or space, your startup cost can be even lower. What matters most is how you manage the money and how quickly you can attract customers. To operate legally, you will need to register your business. This can be done online through the government business registration platform. After registration, you will also need a single business permit from your county government. The cost of licenses can vary depending on your location, but it is usually between 10,000 and 20,000 Kenyan shillings per year. Having the right licenses builds trust with customers and protects you from legal problems. Once your shop is ready, you need to think about the services you will offer. A good phone repair shop should handle a variety of problems. These include screen replacement, battery replacement, charging system repair, software installation, phone unlocking, and fixing water-damaged devices. You can also sell phone accessories such as chargers, earphones, covers, and screen protectors. These items bring additional income and attract more customers to your shop. Pricing your services correctly is very important. If your prices are too high, customers may go to your competitors. If your prices are too low, you may not make enough profit. You should research what other technicians in your area are charging and set your prices competitively. Simple repairs like replacing a charging port may cost between 500 and 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Screen replacement and more complex repairs can cost several thousand Kenyan shillings depending on the phone model. On a good day, a small repair shop can serve 5 to 10 customers. If each customer pays an average of 1,000 Kenyan shillings, you can make between 5,000 and 10,000 Kenyan shillings per day. After deducting expenses, you can still make a decent profit. Over time, as your reputation grows, your income can increase significantly. Marketing your business is key to attracting customers. In today's world, social media is a powerful tool. You can create a business account on platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, and TikTok. Post pictures and videos of your work, share customer testimonials, and offer promotions. Word of mouth is also very effective. When you serve customers well, they will recommend you to their friends and family. You should also invest in a clear signboard that shows your business name and services. Make sure your shop is clean and organized. Customers feel more comfortable when they see a professional environment. Good customer service is equally important. Always be polite, honest, and transparent. Explain the problem clearly and give realistic timelines for repairs. Like any business, a phone repair shop comes with challenges. One common challenge is dealing with fake or low-quality spare parts. Using poor quality parts can damage your reputation. Always try to buy from trusted suppliers, even if the cost is slightly higher. Another challenge is competition. Many people are entering this business, especially in urban areas. To stand out, focus on quality work, fast service, and good customer relations. Technical challenges can also arise, especially when dealing with complex smartphone issues. Technology keeps changing, so you must keep learning. Attend workshops, watch tutorials, and practice regularly. The more skilled you become, the more customers will trust you with expensive devices. Managing your finances is another important part of success. Keep records of your daily income and expenses. This helps you understand how your business is performing and where you can improve. Avoid unnecessary spending and reinvest part of your profits back into the business. This allows you to grow steadily over time. To increase your income, you can expand your services. For example, you can start offering phone unlocking services, software flashing, or even laptop repair if you gain the skills. You can also partner with phone accessory suppliers to get products at lower prices and sell them at a profit. Another good idea is to offer warranties for your repairs. For example, you can give a 7-day or 30-day warranty, depending on the service. This builds customer confidence and shows that you stand behind your work. However, make sure you set clear terms to avoid misunderstandings. As your business grows, you may consider hiring an assistant. This allows you to serve more customers and reduce workload. You can also think about opening another branch in a different location. Many successful entrepreneurs in Kenya have started with one small repair shop and expanded into multiple outlets. In conclusion, starting a mobile phone repair business in Kenya with small capital is very achievable. It requires commitment, patience, and a willingness to learn. With the right skills, tools, and mindset, you can build a profitable and sustainable business. The demand for phone repair services is not going away anytime soon, making this a smart choice for anyone looking to start a business in today's digital world. If you take the first step, stay consistent, and focus on quality service, you can turn a small investment into a strong and growing business that supports you and your family for many years.